were just on the freeway, and then... Bro, I'm trying to speak here. Okay, BMW tune boy. We were just on the freeway cruising home, and then I definitely drove over something. I have no idea what it was. It was some small, I mean, it didn't feel like metal or anything, but it didn't seem big. But then I heard noises coming out of my car once after I hit it, and it turns out, basically, front lip is completely donezo. And I think that's about it, hopefully. The rest of everything under the car seems to be all right. Downforce Solutions, they made the lip. If they could somehow send in another one, that would be the best thing ever. Yeah, that sucks. Hello. What can I do for you? I'll get a 32 raspberry Italian cream soda. What the heck?
How did that?
Going further in.
No, it did. You made it worse. I could see the S before, and now it's just barely.
Oh man. Oh mate. Oh. Let's just put this in here.
Looks like a snake.
There we go. It's got a little.
You could play a prank on someone with that.
Look, it's like one of those straws. We just make it sip sip.
It actually looks like it's drinking.
This poor car. This car has been hit. Like, we just got the whole rear end redone because of what happened in the winter. And there's been a couple other things that's happened to it in the past. Only this car out of all of them.
This thing's fucking sweet.
Thank you. You see what happened down here?
Oh my lord.
Yeah. I don't know what it was.
See, that's why I go for height.
I know, right? You're chilling. Whatever it is, squirrels or plastic pieces, you just run right over it, you know?
Exactly. Just no harm, no foul.
I know, yeah. It's the problem with a low-car lifestyle sometimes.
No, that's a new internet. What have you done under the hood of this? Anything?
It's just bolt-on stuff. So intercooler, that white intake.
What turbo solution company is that? It's East.
Oh, ETS.
Yeah.
Yeah, Extreme Turbo Systems.
Extreme Turbo.
So it's the OEM turbo that comes in these things, but yeah, it's just their intercooler.
Dude, this thing's
so thank you so much.
It's bagged or coilovers?
It's on lowering springs actually.
Okay.
So that's all it is. Yeah. So it's the budget coilover way.
Dude, I promise you, both those suspensions. Wow,
yeah. I love how one of yours is like all filthy and then the other one's just pristine.
I clean mine like a day.
Yeah, yeah. They both look so good. When the off-road boys try and help you out. Now I want to give you guys a little token of advice from what I learned with my incident, and that is you guys should get a dash cam. I was lucky. I happened to have the whole incident caught on dash cam footage, and I was able to go back and find out that basically what I hit that took off my front lip was definitely some semi-truck or just some old blown tire that was just sitting in the middle of the lane. And I clearly didn't know that when I originally hit it. I just thought, I mean, it could have been any object that was just sitting there. It could have been a freaking animal for all I would have known. But I was able to go back into dash cam footage and figure out what it was. Right here, here's my dash cam. I use the Rex V3 dash cam, and it's really cool because it has a backwards facing camera that faces the cabin, and then it also has a front facing one that faces outward into everything in front of you. So if you do want to get a dash cam, I highly recommend getting that one, and I just highly recommend getting one in general because there can be accidents that will happen that your whole life can change based on, you know, how it was perceived, and a dash cam helps prove everything and make sure that, you know, you're not guilty for something you didn't do. Lesson taken away from my front lip being swiped off is get yourself a dash cam. As you can see, it's been many months. We still don't have the front lip on the car, but we have a replacement right over here. Thank you guys to Downforce Solutions. They are the ones that had the original lip that we knocked off, and they are sending in a brand new one. Let's go load this thing into the car. Hopefully it'll fit. Freaking never would have guessed the front lip is so long. It literally takes up the entire length of the car. To the shop with the lift we go.
Could use a couple more inches of height.
He just hold it with his head. He just keeps it there.
Yeah.
So now we got the car back here and the lip is back as it used to be. In fact, in better condition than it even used to be. I'm surprised at how long the previous one lasted. It literally lasted years on this car through several snow hoonages and several road trips and this and that. Downforce Solutions makes a solid splitter for the Focus RS and I'd go with them only. So right now I'm in the process of fixing the door handle that our boy Tim broke. What? If you guys missed the vlog, go check out the one titled My 350Z is Falling Apart because the door handles were definitely falling apart. This is the one that Tim broke. As you can see, it should have this bracket that's on the right here and it doesn't have it at all on the left. So, solution, you have to order a new one. Now, the last thing I'm trying to do is just make sure I get this in line here. Never would have thought I'd be fixing door handles today. Voila, it's all clicked into place. Now let's click it into the door. I really tried to pull the door closer to me just now without a door handle, so I was just doing this. I tried. This is the furthest I could get the door handle in. I mean, it's not coming out anymore. It's just not entirely sealed up, but yeah, it's whatever. Yummy. Are they real? Real TE37.
And check, this is what you were.
No, dude.
No.
They're not?
Look at the fucking sticker, dude. I think these retards would have put the sticker in the middle of the spoke.
I think it would say Volk on.
No, dude, look at the sticker. Just look at the fucking sticker.
Those are fake. Oh, I was talking about the brakes. I
don't know, the shape of them don't look as prominent as I remember on the real TEs. It's like if it said Barstow, I'm fine, it's the end of the day, but it's just like Volk Racing on a fake wheel, that's kind of capping.
It's still nice.
That's
I mean, it fools me for like 10 seconds.
Really well.
Brayden, are you down to do the blazing wings?
If you're done, I'm done.
I have a camera.
Don't be a pussy.
Yeah. Now he's gonna do it.
His famous words.
Yeah, famous last words.
Yeah, right.
I'm gonna get the 6 blazing wings. Boneless. Alright, the blazing wings just arrived. Tim, take a lick.
Alright, that's hot.
Alright, it's like minuscule.
Kind of puts things in perspective when we don't truly have.
It goes away after like a few minutes.
This dude took like a speckle. I don't even want to know. You think you could eat a whole one?
Oh yeah. Oh,
It's dangerous sauce.
Alright, there you go. Are you ready? Take a bite.
Ooh, what the hell?
You just fucked up. It tastes way better.
Cameron's a friggin' savage.
Oh my god. Alright,
Cameron.
swallow, boy.
Dude, ow. Alright, who's next?
Aiden? Aiden's next.
Oh wait, are you giving one for Aiden?
Yeah, I'm just gonna split it in half so we can like make sure everyone gets it.
Are you sure? You should just give him a whole one.
Really?
I can't tell, is there like an initial hit or is there like an after hit?
I'm already feeling it.
Yeah, it's a, oh, is he tearing up a little bit? Oh.
I mean, it's down.
It's in the stomach now.
You guys have some?
No, I haven't touched it yet. Should I go next?
You go next. If you want to.
Should I just eat it off the side?
I guess. Alright.
I don't like this.
Alright, in. Done deal. No regrets. No going back. Alright, now we shall start the interview.
The hot ones question. Ask me some questions.
What was your first car?
A Ford Focus RS. Oh boy.
What have you done to it?
It's got full bolt-ons and Enki NTO3s, Nitto NTO5 tires. I just want to see how long it could sit here without even taking something.
Yeah.
Substitute it.
We're just gonna take his water.
No.
Take that water, move that over there. Alright, keep going. You're fine. You're fine. No big deal.
Half?
Do it. Full send.
Full send? Full send. Oh yeah. Yes. R32. When did you get that? Go, answer.
May 2018?
May 2018? Alright, what have you done to it? Go.
Oh my god, that's not even fair. I've done so much crap to that car.
That's fine, go.
It's on Advan wheels, Advan liveries. It's got an R34 RB26 inside. It's got Recaro confettis.
I didn't hear you.
Are you taking notes on what you're gonna do to your car?
You look a little bit red, that's okay.
This part's not even that bad. I'm just more concerned for what I set myself up for in the bathroom later.
It's stinging?
Oh, it's not enjoyable anymore.
It's just like when you breathe out, it's just like you're on fire, right? You gonna go for it?
I'll start with the, where'd the water go?
That's this one. Water makes it worse, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, water makes it worse. So you can have some, yeah.
And it'll spread it around.
That's true.
You want sugar. He wants a sugar.
Alright, where's the sugar packet?
This is right here.
Yeah, just pour that in there.
This is so much.
Right. Oh, you want to try it now? Okay. Oh, you're just diving in.
That's not that bad.
Just totally straight face.
For now.
Yeah, no, for now, until you get into the restroom. You turn a little bit red there, buddy.
Yeah. They are pretty hot. They're hotter. They burn for like 15 minutes. Man, it's giving me the hiccups.
Who's next? Who next? Huh? The flavor's not that good. I know, the flavor sucks. That's like one of the worst. It's literally, oh my god. It feels, there's just a sting on my tongue right now. That's not going away. Oh, Austin, it's hitting now.
Yeah, it's got that slow burn.
Yeah, it has a really slow burn.
You're in for it, Tim. Chewing.
Yeah. Yeah, gone now. This dude just licked ranch. Oh, yeah, it was this one, so.
How is it? Tasty? Delicious?
It's not fun.
The wild Tim is beginning to panic.
How many miles are on your M3?
62,000. 200?
I don't even know how many miles that exact are on any of my cars.
Count that high.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel it on my stomach, bro.
It's slowly going down.
Oh, I'm not gonna feel. Oh. It burns more on my stomach than in my tongue. How is that possible? I stuck my tongue in ranch and I felt instantly better.
3, 2, 1, sender. Oh yeah, cold wings by now. Yeah, I don't know if that helps or what. All right, list off all the cars that you fixed up.
Ever?
Yes, that you've gone through.
Oh fuck. E92 335. It's so weird over there too. Ford Fiesta ST, BMW 330 XI, E46 M3, 92 M3, 46 M3 again.
Jesus, so many M3s. Dude, what'd that tongue do? Oh my god. So much worse, bro.
But you drink the water?
I think it's on the wrong side, bro. That's not it. Just like pour the sugar in the water. What's up, first? You can see the sugar.
Oh my god. Yo, we cleared the plate. Almost.
Cam, come on, dude. Cam's the last guy.
Yeah, Cam. Come on, Cam. It's the last one.
I need water.
Water? You'll be fine. You'll be fine. If I can do it, you can do it. Go try it at home. If he can do it, you can do it.
Oh, yeah. We've cleared the plate.
It's just chicken.
Good work.
What could it possibly do to you?
It's just chicken.
Well, it's fine.
Good work, boys.
Let me get water for you. Let me get water for you.
Tim, are you putting on your mask to walk out of the restaurant?
Yeah, so COVID won't get us.
It's many 10 steps.
Yep.
You gotta be careful. Yep. COVID's out in the air as soon as you get out of your seat.
Space here, though. We can sit down.
Oh, you're all good now.
Yeah, we're all
COVID
good.
won't get you anymore. Oh. Yeah, that still hurts my ears. That's good enough. How does he see? Can you see us out of your freaking negative 100 tint?
Barely. Perfectly legal limit tint.
Barely.
Ultra.